Welcome to Edu Pebble.
Welcome to Edu Pebble. Let's learn together. Oh, 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 oh. Let's learn together.
An A is for an ant. An ant wore shiny shoes. One danced on a leaf and slipped away. B is for bear. A bear was cooking honey pie. It flew so high it touched the sky. C is for cow. A cow was painting walls bright blue. She painted her horns and her tail too. Is for duck. A duck rode bicycle round the lake. Quacked so hard the wheels did shake. E is for elephant. An elephant trying to climb a tree got stuck halfway. Oh dear me. F is for frog. A frog was singing la la. Wore sunglasses, thought he's a star. G is for goose. A goose was baking a chocolate cake. Had too much salt by mistake. H for horse. A horse wore glasses and read a book. Many jokes, come take a look. I is for igloo. An igloo opened a pizza shop. Penguins came in flip flop flop. R is for jaguar. A jaguar joined a marching band. Played the drums with tail in hand. Is for koala. A koala flew a hot balloon. Waved to clouds and sang a tune. L is for lion. A lion laughed a silly bee. Then the bee chased him up a tree. M is for monkey. Monkey opened an ice cream stall. Banana flavor was loved by all. N is for nightingale. A nightingale sang a night so sweet. Stars above clapped to the beat. O is for octopus. An octopus wore equal hats. Shared them with dolphins and jelly cats. P is for panda. A panda painted rainbow rain. Oops, he splashed his fur again. The Q is for queen. A queen dropped jewels in the sand. Crabs picked them up with tiny. R is for rabbit. A rabbit raced a speeding train. Hopped so fast, then slept again. S is for sheep. A sheep made popcorn in a pot. Boom, boom, boom. It popped a lot. T is for turtle. A turtle tried to run so fast, but every snail still ran past. U is for unicorn. And unicorn baked a rainbow pie. Shared it with kids passing by. Yeah, for vulture. A vulture sang a lullaby song. All animals yawned and slept along. A whale was playing hide and seek. Flashed so much the sea went squeak.
X is for xylophone.